Hey guys, today we have my fall Fabfitfun. I'm so excited to jump in and show you guys everything I got. This is just like my favorite time each season. It just gets me so excited. I am so ready for fall. I know it is July. I don't care. It is fall now. I'm actually gonna give away one of these boxes. So all you have to do to enter is subscribe to me on here, follow my Instagram, which is Samantha.hope, and my TikTok, which is also Samantha.hope. Everything will be linked down below. Comment below that you've done all three, or just comment on the other social media platforms that you've done it. Or you can feel free to DM me, that works too. As always, if you guys want to get yourself a box, do not forget to use my codes. They're on the screen and they will also be in the description box as well. I'm so excited to get into this. I'm also really excited to gift one of you guys these because this is such a fun element of like the seasons to me. I feel like it just gets me so excited. Without further ado, let's see what's in here. This one is quite big. I always look forward to seeing the design. Ready? Oh my god, wait, that's so pretty. That is legitimately so cute. All right, guys, let's go one item at a time, and I will show you guys what I got. I do this in a completely random order. Item number one, this is from Skin Body. I actually have no idea what this is, but I'm excited to find out. Helpful suggestion, have scissors nearby when you get your box. You guys are seeing it before me. Oh my god, wait, I'm so excited. I already know. I will try this out on my TikTok and Instagram. Also on my shorts, be sure to check that out. But essentially you just spray this on your face, or I guess any part of your body, and then you use the razors to be able to see where your hair is. It's just like a powder. You spray it and it gives you a guide. Oh my god, I'm so excited to try this. I am so excited for you guys to see that video too. Next item. Oh my god, stop. My queen Selena. This Rare Beauty Hydrating Body Lotion. So excited about this. I'm so curious how it smells. That's a big thing for me. Oh my god. That smells amazing. I know that there's a better way of doing this. This way is crazy. Rub that in. Okay, first of all, very buttery. It smells so good. It's fresh, but really cozy. I feel like this is the perfect fall scent. Oh my god, that feels so nice. It also doesn't feel sticky. I love lotion, but sometimes it just like, I hate when it's so sticky. I'm so excited about this. And how cute is this packaging? Absolutely obsessed. Next item. Oh my god, I'm so excited. This is from Merit. I have a lot of products from Merit actually. I'm obsessed with them. They're so good. This is a beautiful tinted lip oil. We're gonna swatch it. That is just such a pretty lip color. I feel like it's so natural. I feel like this will work so well for fall. It's also small enough to where I feel like you can just really take this on the go with you. So excited about this. It's absolutely gorgeous. The color is Pink Beet. Love that. Next item. I believe this is a cardigan. Oh my god. Wait, this is stunning. This beautiful knit cardigan. This is like a deep gray color, kind of a little bit bluish too. I'm obsessed. It's so pretty. I love that it's knit. It feels lightweight, but it feels warm, which to me is like the perfect combo in a cardigan. I'm so excited about this. This is from the brand Nina. How freaking cute is this? This is such a good fall item. Absolutely excited about this. The next two items are jewelry. Open this one up. These are so pretty. These are the thread through type earrings. I don't know if I'm describing it properly, but essentially if you have double pierced ears, it works I guess if you don't as well because it just threads through, but you essentially put it through one and then through the other as well, and you can just have a pretty little chain hanging between them. This is so cute. I've actually been wanting a pair like these for a really long time, so I'm very excited about these. And these are from Love AJ. Next piece of jewelry. This is from Electric Pix. How cute is that? I'm absolutely obsessed. It reminds me a little bit, I don't know if I should say this, but it does remind me a little bit of Van Cleef. So pretty. I'm absolutely obsessed. Side note, sometimes companies will do this with Fabfitfun. So if you use FFF20, you get 20% off your next order. So feel free to use that if you guys want. All right, guys, I believe we've reached our final item, and this is the item I was so hoping I got, and I'm very excited I did. Open this up. This is a gorgeous gym bag. What I love about this is there are two qualities that I really like in a gym bag. First of all, let's state the obvious. It's super cute. I love that part of it, obviously. But what I really like about it is immediately I noticed that the bottom has this kind of flat piece. It's still flexible, but it will go flat when you put items in it. And then this is the thing that is really missing for me in so many gym bags. Zipper. So nice. Even inside there's little pockets. There's a zipper in here as well, just so you can set additional items, keep the bag a little bit organized. To me, this is so perfect. perfect. I'm actually taking a weekend trip and I think I might use this instead of my carry-on just because I feel like it'll make my life a little bit easier, and I'm trying to pack very lightly, and I think this will be a good item to do that with. This is so cute. I can absolutely see this being probably like my most used item in here. Everything's so great, but this I'm so excited about. All right, guys, that is it for my fall 2025 FabFitFun. Of course, like always, make sure to use my codes down below if you guys are interested in getting yourself one of these amazing boxes. I feel like everything has been so great in this box. Not that previous boxes haven't been, but I feel like everything's such a standout. I'm so excited about it. And that cardigan, like how cute. I'm excited, obviously. I also am excited to give you guys one of these. So be sure to follow my Instagram and my TikTok. Both are Samantha.hope. And of course, subscribe here on YouTube. Very excited. I will announce the winner of that giveaway in 30 days. And I will do that on my Instagram, but you will also hear it directly from me if you are the winner of that. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to subscribe down below. And of course, do not forget to check out FabFitFun. I will have everything linked down below. All right, guys, bye. Mwah.